Hey everyone, today I'll show you everything you need to know about sorting data in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing names, sales, dates, or whatever, this tutorial has you covered. Let's jump right in. I do have an example spreadsheet here where there's employee, department, sales, and date. So this is the easiest way, but this only works if you're trying to alphabetically sort by one column only. You can go ahead and select in any column you want and then go to Data, Sort Sheet, and you could sort it from A to Z or Z to A. However, it doesn't recognize this way having headers, and it can mess up your headers over here. When I click back, I could see that some of the data, or actually all the data, didn't change, but this one is a little bit riskier. I think the best way to do it is method 2, sorting by an entire table. And what you could do is just highlight the whole thing and convert to a table. And right here, you have these drop downs and you could just sort from like A to Z right here, and it will keep everything uniform and none of your data will get lost. You can also sort by sales, so we could do A to Z here and it will do the numbers of sales from like smallest to biggest, or you can go from Z to A, so Z to A here would be the biggest number and to the littlest number. You can also sort dates here, and like A to Z would be from the beginning of the year towards the later dates in the year, and then vice versa if you go the opposite way. If you want to sort by multiple columns, then you're going to have to go ahead and highlight the entire table. So you want to highlight the whole table and then click on Data, Sort Range, and then click on Advanced Range Sorting Options. And you want to make sure you have the data has header row selected. Then depending on what you want to sort it by, so let's just say we want to sort it first by employee and then department. So I'm going to have employee first, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in another sort column. And then I want it to sort by department. You can also select here if you want it from A to Z or Z to A. So if I want like to go by like employee with the like name later in the alphabet, but I want them to have a department that starts with sooner in the alphabet, it's going to go ahead and sort by that. If this video did help you out, please drop a like, consider subscribing if you're new. Have a good one.